Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Fortnite is available on Redmi A1. And to do this we'll need to launch our Google Play Store and other platforms to see if it's there. And here we want to go for Fortnite. But as expected, there's no such game in this platform. Next one is Epic Games Launcher, which you can download from Epic Games Store website. Right here, find the Fortnite, click on Get, and sadly this device is not supported. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.